For a business, it's all about making sure you're recording all of your business expenses, any home office, and seeing if there's anything else that you're using for your business that you've previously bought. So maybe contributing a laptop to the business, tracking your standard miles. As an individual employee, and it's not your company, you're a little bit more constrained and looking for doing IRA, 401k planning, or if you have other itemized deductions like a home mortgage or taxes, these sort of things you're just going to want to make sure that gets into the proper software, or you're working with your professional. But really it's all about IRA and 401k type of retirement plans, taking deductions now and getting the income later, or other beneficial accounts such as a Roth IRA. There can be some other things, but really those are the main things: tracking and expensing when you can as a business, planning ahead, and not having a year where you have huge income and then small income. You want to kind of smooth those tax years out so you can take advantage of your lower tax brackets. Plan ahead.